Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here with the final day of our bulkhead wall project here in North Kansas City. If you remember, on day one when we started this project, this was a project started, about October of 2019. You can still see the little remnants of what the other foundation repair company started to do with their cinder block bulkhead wall installation. If you go back and look at our first video, you can see everything was not even halfway finished. There was a bunch of debris that they left throughout the floor that we had to clean up. The footings, the existing footings, they actually tunneled underneath, causing those to be undermined and sink. So we had a lot of cleanup that we had to do to clean up their mess. We had to get the footings raised back up to correct level elevation, get those supported with some steel bracing. We had to get the floor joists raised back to level, since by undermining the footings, they caused those to drop. So once everything was back where it needed to be level-wise, we were able to get our forms in here, which you saw in the videos last week. And then Friday, we had our high-strength concrete delivered, and we were able to pour these bulkhead walls. So we just got everything finished up today, smoothed everything out, filled in the blocks up here after we made sure all the floors were level. And wasn't in the bid, but we wanted to make everything look a little bit neater. So we have that concrete done over the top. So eventually, later this year, we're going to come back. They want us to take down this bulkhead wall and complete the concrete bulkhead wall installation. So we'll get this all cleaned up and get to work. Should go a lot quicker now that we don't have another company's job to take care of cleaning up before we can get to our own work. But yeah, everything turned out great on this project. The customers are happy. We're going to be back tomorrow just to kind of get everything in place for them to do their new stairs. We got the door here, so we'll get that done in the morning. But foundation-wise, everything's back where it needs to be. The walls are done. Everyone's happy. So another great job by the King Piers team out here in North Kansas City. So for all your foundation and repairing needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.